Hello everybody, RCJ here. Welcome to part 6 in this project, the Joysway Magic V, rebuilding the right side rudder to left, or to center rudder. As you can see, when it comes to the blue paint compared to the part 5, I had trouble with the painting, and it looks good at first in the video, but it was like an orange peel look to it, and I wanted to make it a little bit look more smoother, and used wet sand paper to get rid of that surface and try to wax it or polish it, but it didn't help so much. And I also discovered that some of the black paint has already disappeared from a few spots under, so that in that case I noticed that it seems to be that I have grinded down too much, and I was surprised by that, because I thought I was pretty careful and used about 1200 grit or with a lot of water, but it didn't end up well, and I realized that I had to redo everything with the painting. So I grinded down a little bit more and started with primer color and things like that, and I also ended up that with that I wanted to change from light blue to this dark blue instead. But after that, I thought that everything was good now, and had started to, as you can see, I glued the new rubber list around there. And when I then started to work with the lid, because I had a little trouble to get it to lock again, then I noticed that some of the blue paint and everything has just loosened up, and this looks so it almost is like a soft eggshell above the white original. So as you can see, I cannot use this. So now I end up with that. I have to either try to get all of the paint off for real this time and get it total clean, like it was in the beginning, and either that or I just have to scrap the boat actually. So, and because now it's more in the middle of the autumn and it's more cold outside, and I don't have the same time anymore as I used to, so now I have to make just like a long pause in this project right now, because first I have to try to get the whole paint off. So if that is not succeeded without damaging the plastic, so then it's gonna end up anyway in the scrapyard then. So this is absolutely a failure. Of course. So because of this failure, these projects have to be paused, and maybe have to scrap the boat. So this is the last part for a long time, maybe, unfortunately. So, and but meanwhile, it's gonna be other videos, of course. So I have some driving with the Alantio still going on, with the lights on and things like that. Comes to more evening driving. It is October now, of course. So but this boat, a little boat, have to just rest for now, and I have to see. I have to see when it comes to more in the late spring and summer if I can do anything about this or not. At least maybe I can get the paint off, but I'm not able to paint it. I cannot be inside in my apartment and paint with colors. It's gonna stink too much, and it's too cold to be outside on the balcony. So that's why this project has to be holding up for a while, paused. So But as I said, there's going to be other videos with Lantio driving, and then now the indoor season, the winter indoor season, it's coming up about 1.5 week from now, and start with practice and things like that when it comes to the buggy or Schumacher car. So, but I hope you can understand this problem, and so. But that's all I can show right now, I think. And there's not so much more to tell about this. So, but we see you. Hope you see you in other videos, of course. So, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support, and hit the like button if you liked it, even if this was paused and the painting was a failure. So, but once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.